Hello everyone, welcome to the wonderful Japan channel. Today we're back with my wonderful sister Taya at Ozone to make some Japanese geta. Let's go! By yourself or?
Today, Taya and I will be making geta. Geta are a traditional kind of Japanese sandal with a wooden base and a fabric strap called hanao that sits between your big toe and second toe. Pretty stylish, right?
Today we've come to Madoi to make our geta. Tay, why do you want to make geta?
I have always loved traditional Japanese clothing. I bought a yukata last time I came to Japan in 2015, and the geta are way too small now.
You were so much.
I was so little.
Small back then.
How about you?
My feet are way too big, and I've never been able to buy cute geta at a regular shop. So I've come to get some custom-made ones. Let's head on in.
We're going to make our very own geta here at Madoi, a store that specializes in traditional handmade Japanese goods. The shelves are lined with a wide variety of geta designs, as well as other crafts and accessories. The accessories and hair ornaments are all lovingly handcrafted by various local craftsmen.
These are women's.
Kawaii.
Time to choose our hanao and geta base. The hanao are the main statement piece of the geta. You have to consider the material, color, and patterns when choosing your hanao. It's fun to mix and match with the different bases.
I don't know what that is. Kawaii.
Do you like?
So many choices.
For the base, we check the size and color by placing our feet on them.
I got little feet.
Perfect. Perfect.
All right, my turn to choose.
クールな感じの。this one. これです。これにします。はい。乗せて。おー、いいですね。クールな感じですね。
Very cool.
いいですね。
I like it.
これにしましょう。わあ、いいですね。いいですね。
It's very you, Kyla.
So, Tay, what did you choose?
I picked a really nice light wood with some red and black with flowers.
That's so pretty.
What did you pick?
I picked a darker wood because I have a dark yukata. I have two darker ones. And one of my yukatas has fireflies. So I picked one with dragonflies on it. I think that will go nicely.
I think so too.
So let's get making it.
First, we drilled holes in the base to attach the hanao. Mine already had holes in it. Lucky me.
同じぐらいのここまでですか？同じここまでですか？
それぐらいで
OK です。
はい、OK です。はい、一通り同じようにやってもらって。
It does take muscle.
Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. It's very easy. This is very easy. Super easy.
It wasn't easy to get the holes to the right size. Then we prepared the hanao to attach them.
半分だけ下半分だけ紐をかけます。
We used metal picks to poke holes in the ends of the hanao and threaded the string through.
ここを端っこに置いて刺す。お水を。
Through like that?
それでこれで長さ合わせて1個ください。
はい。
で1、
はい。
2つやる。おお。OK ですか？そう。OK です。
Then we made a loop with the excess string. And voila! Ready for the next step. Finally, it's time to attach them to the base. We pulled the ends of the hanao through each of the 3 holes, using the string to help.
よいしょ。
ありがとうございます。
あ、もっと。どう？すごいな。少し穴を大きくしよう。
Make the holes a little bigger.
そう。一番穴を。
かわいい。
Wow! Taya's geta is already taking shape. How cute!
So cute. It's like a
It's so well done. It's so professional.
yeah.
ありがとうございます。I didn't do that one. I didn't do that one.
Then we took the pick again and used it to tie the knot under the base of the geta. This part was tricky. The hanao needs to be tied at just the right length so the geta is secure on the feet. Not too tight and not too loose. Once all 3 ends were in place, we tried them on and adjusted them several times until they were just right. It was really finicky work. But in the end, we got them to fit perfectly. Taya was also thrilled with how they turned out. For the final step, we used a hammer to secure the knot under the rubber sole. Let's try them on.
すごい。
はい。得意方なので。
かわいい。
I'll be in trouble if they get loose. I'll come back. You want? Woo!
Cute.
A perfect fit. And they look amazing.
I love your colors. Just take photos too.
We both had the same instinct.
Go wrong way.
I don't like my feet.
Yeah.
Ta-da! We're finished. Our first geta. How was it, Tay?
So much fun.
Yeah.
It was a little difficult at parts, like there's a knot under here that you have to tie. Getting that was a bit hard.
It was very hard.
But it was really, really, really fun. My knowledge of knots came in handy from Scouts.
Yeah. It's a good thing you had that. I had no idea. I was lost.
It was really fun to actually like hear some of the little tidbits in the history about why the geta are how they are.
Yeah, like learning about how the heel should be off the edge, so that way it doesn't pull on your yukata when you're walking. That was really interesting. I didn't know that. And also wearing how if you should always switch them. Yeah. Every time you wear them, you should switch them.
Yes.
That's good to know.
Yes, very, very good to know. But yeah, really fun.
Especially because you'll be taking this back to Australia. You won't be able to come here and get them fixed as often.
No.
I can come back and get these fixed. So you have to make them last as long as possible.
Yes. And they're really comfy.
Super comfortable, right? I wasn't expecting to be so comfortable because they're just a block of wood. You'd think they wouldn't be so comfortable, but they're amazingly comfortable. I could wear these all day.
I could too. I probably will.
Yeah. When are we going to wear them next? When's our first trip out wearing them?
Our first trip wearing them will be on Sunday the 1st.
That's a date.
First time wearing them will be at a festival in Nagoya. In Nagoya?
Maybe Nagoya. We'll have to check date. We'll have to check out the festivals. We'll have to find a festival soon before you head back.
Yes.
And we're done! Our first pair of geta! Thank you so much to Madoi for our experience today and our beautiful geta. Make sure when you're in Japan, get yourself a pair of these geta too. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. See you next time. Bye.